As you can see, we are gonna double this account today. We are up $72, and I've already closed some positions. It's a real account, baby. It's a real account. You don't play no demos here, man. So let's get down to the breakdown. Charts are looking fine. Feel like withdrawing some right now, but I'll first leave it to go. Yeah, $100 account. So guys, this is simple. This is too simple, right? This is too simple. Guys, as you can see, GBPJPY, we are going up. We are going for take profit. And as you can see, we are gonna double this account today. We are up $72. And I've already closed some positions. I've already closed $21. You know, you must always bank in some profits, right? I'm also going to close one position on the GBPJPY. One position on GBPJPY, and then one position on the USDJPY. Not yet. But let's first wait. As you can see, we have closed $38. Let's go to the USD CAD and see what's happening there. So as you can see, and guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a simple strategy of how I'm getting these sniper entries. As you can see, no drawdowns. Price just went straight up into profit. Yeah, the GBPJPY. No drawdowns. Yeah, this was a breakout strategy. I'm going to show you guys how I get this sniper breakout entries. As you can see, take profit is almost getting hit. Yeah, there's that nice feeling of when take profit is gonna get hit, guys. Don't take your profits till you're sure that till that price actually hits take profit. All these breakdowns are coming. Guys. Yeah, 3 pairs, 3 trades. Let's go. And guys, if you watch the weekly analysis, yeah, the Forex outlook weekly analysis and breakdowns, I predicted all these trades. Yeah, I predicted all these trades, and I released weekly analysis on Friday. Yeah, Forex outlooks on Friday. So make sure, no, actually Saturday. Make sure each Saturday you tune into the channel. Make sure you tune into the channel, subscribe, comment, as I'll also be dropping the weekly Forex outlooks and reviews each and every Saturday. You feel me? So yeah, let's go. We've already closed 38. Let's actually close 40. Let's close 40. Yeah, of course, 44 pips. $44. Plus 44. Let's go.